Have y'all ever wiped your butt with your left hand with some gas station toilet paper? Well, we'll just consider this right here the gas station toilet paper. There's not a lot of things gas station toilet paper is good for, but maybe throw it in some trees or throw it in the trash, because that stuff don't take shit off nobody. So let's go ahead and get on in the video and we'll see what the hell's going on here later on. Good morning, all you sawdust sucking sons and daughters. Are you like me? Do you want to get into hand tools? I'm waiting. Anyway, I wanted to get into hand tools a couple of years ago because there had been some times when a hand plane would have come in really efficient in some of my projects. It could take off a thicker chunk of wood faster than what you could do with a sander. So I thought, I don't want to spend $150, $200 on a hand plane and suck at using it. So I went down to Harbor Freight and I bought this set. It comes with a block plane too. It's this set here. It's pretty cheap, and it's cheap for a reason. Now, this is not one of those things you can buy from Harbor Freight to practice with. Let me show you the footage here real quick. Well, yep. Let's try this one. Nope, not that one either. Now, if that's not some of the worst planing footage on YouTube, I don't know what is. But after using those planes, I knew in my head that a good plane was going to be better. But I could not talk my heart into spending $200 on a hand plane to take a chance on me looking like that again. So I didn't. These stayed under my bench for like 2 years, and regrettably, every now and then, I'd pick them up and actually try to use them again. I'd try to tune them in. I'd watch videos like Rex Kruger and Stumpy Nubs on how to tune up hand planes, and I tried to get this thing to cut. And man, it wasn't happening. So y'all know that there are ads on YouTube, and they are directed toward you. Well, and me, because I watch a lot of YouTube. But one of the ads that are directed toward me as a YouTube watcher is Bridge City Tools. Now, their hand planes are high dollar. They say they're like the Rolls Royce of hand planes. And they are pretty. And pretty expensive. But they had a sale about a week after my birthday that the Mini 8 hand plane was for sale for $66. Now, I'm an avid Star Wars fan, obviously. And any Star Wars fan knows that the number 66, or the order 66, will cause people to do things they wouldn't normally do. So, I hit the order button, and I got the Bridge City Mini Block Plane. Now, This block plane is so pretty. And it comes in a fantastic box. The packaging is insane. Everything about this little block plane, it's just so nice. So very nice. So, I have some footage of me using this. Check this out. So as you've seen before, I am no planing expert. Not even a little bit. Now I did take a pass with this plane earlier just to make sure I wasn't completely stupid. And it turned out the same. I mean, look at that. With a good plane, it is actually very satisfying. Let's take another pass. That is amazing. I'm going to show you guys how to adjust all this stuff, but you know what? There are some better videos out there from people who know a lot more about this than I do, and I'll go ahead and put those links in the description for you because they know a lot more about it than I do, and I just feel like I don't have the knowledge to give y'all what you need. What I do want to give you is the fact that a tool that is worth the money apparently is hand tools, because dude, this is so fun. I mean, that's freaking great. I may have to buy some more hand tools. I can see why people have a wall of planes behind them. I mean, the first time ever I have actually been able to use a hand plane. It is so effortless. I mean, it is just so easy. So, before the sale's over, because this is like normally $138, but for $66, man, you can't go wrong. It just absolutely cannot go wrong. I know it got a smile on my face I just can't get rid of right now. Happy birthday to me. That's all I can say. It's so cool. So, you may be wondering, what do you do with an extremely shitty block plane? Well, I have an idea. Number one, it can be used as a decoration or a YouTube prop. Looks good up there on the wall, don't it? Well, with it being cold out, need a place to hang my coat. So, that's all I got for today. I'll see y'all later. Check out that Bridge City. I'll leave a link down in the description. I have no affiliation with them. I just think it's a really cool tool. Alright.